Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Overland. This one's stickers here at $60,825. What's the colors? Black crystal pearl, diamond black crystal pearl over steel gray. Macintosh sound system, which is phenomenal. I loved the Alpine system, but this is just better. This one has the 3.6 liter V6. You can get the 5.7, and a very, very rare option that has now been discontinued, air suspension. I'll put it in its lowest setting. Alright, so this is entry exit ride height. Kind of get an idea of what that looks like. So it will go back to front. Back will work its way up. And then I think that's... No, it's still going. This is off-road 2. And see just how much more ride height it has. That is awesome. I love features like that. I mean, that is huge. Unfortunately, due to the chip shortage, oh yeah, you have to close the door to lower it. Due to the chip shortage, they discontinued the air suspension, which is so sad because I love it. Another feature I love that I currently have activated: massage seats. Press this button here, shuts them off. Turn them back on, you do this, you have all your different settings: extend, waterfall, rock climb. Let's do extend on high. Also might notice I have the gauge cluster in the full digital setting. I can hold it, brings it to the analog gauges, but I just did a video with those, so I want to do a video with the digital. Ah, the massage is so nice. Man, these are such a huge step up from the previous gen. The previous gen was great. Actually, no, it's still the current gen. This is just a different model. This is huge step up. If they did this with the Durango, oh, they should. They absolutely should, because this is awesome. The fact that I'm doing this whole review while getting a back massage, I am okay with that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.